So we've just gone through the reporting section. There's one more thing that we want to cover off, which is the SIFA bot. So if you want to go access the SIFA bot, it's actually just going back to the profile section. You see a big Ask Me Anything right in front of you on the left-hand side. And you really can ask SIFA anything around the individual's profile. Now, SIFA is up to date with the most recent tax regulation and legislation. So you can ask anything around how they might be influenced by a specific tax change, or you can just ask a very simple question such as, what is Dave's income? This is obviously going to be dependent upon the information that you've already uploaded for the profile for the client that you have. If you have included the like of how much Dave is contributing into their IRA, or into, if you're in the UK, how much into their stocks and shares ISA, then Cypher will be able to calculate as to how much allowance, how much taxable allowances they still have remaining for the tax year. So it's an incredibly easy way, just because you have all the information here already, just asking Cypher to do the calculations for you or find out any information that instead of you having to go through all loads of different documents to try and find. One specific use case that we really liked was an advisor who's been working with the client now for 5+ years. So he's got a ton of notes and a ton of documents, and one of the documents that he was trying to look back on was who was the beneficiaries on the individual's will. And he wanted to know this before the meeting started. So all you can just literally do, if you've already uploaded it through Cypher, Cypher can scan any sort of documents that you've uploaded, and it can scan PDF, docs, docx, and txt, and be able to look through all of that and reply within about 10 seconds as to what the answer might be. So that's a really quick and easy way for you to get any sort of information, again, with the end goal for you to be as efficient as it possibly can be in the operation side of things.